Hello, YouTube. Just wanted to answer the question as to whether or not we can witness oil flow to the top end by hand turning the crank. I just rebuilt the oil pump on this D16A1 motor, and I wanted to test and make sure that indeed it was working and that I was getting oil flow before I put everything back together. So went online and tried to find, I found a lot of conflicting information as to whether or not hand turning a crank will provide sufficient pressure to get oil flowing to the top end weep oil squirters. So here I go. There's no fluid, there's no oil in the line right now. Everything's in the sump. So you'll see just the pump being primed. Try to zoom here in on the weeping holes. Okay, so I guess I'm turning right now at about, I don't know, 50, it'll be probably 50 revolutions a minute. You'll see oil. Okay, so it's coming up already. That's how fast it's coming out. You can also see it coming around a few of the rocker arm seats. So there you can see, spinning a crank, 50 revolutions per minute approximately, you can witness oil flow to the top end. Anyways, hope this helps somebody. Have a good one.